Hello and welcome to Oliver. Python, known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility, remains a powerhouse in 2024. Created by Gu Ido van Rossum in the late 1980s, Python has evolved into a high-level, interpreted, and dynamically typed language. Striking features of Python. Python boasts impressive features, such as being free and open source, easy to code and read, supporting GUI programming, and being a high-level language. Its large community support and extensive standard library contribute to its widespread use. Benefits of using Python. Python's benefits include its wide range of applications, simple syntax, large developer community, open-source nature, quick code execution, and a vast library with pre-built modules and functions. Top 14 Python applications in 2024. Python's versatility shines across various domains. Let's explore the top 14 applications trending in 2024. Web development. Python's web development prowess is evident with frameworks like Flask, Django, and tools like Bottle and Pyramid. From content web applications to APIs, Python is a top choice for developers. IoT and embedded systems. Python is crucial in IoT projects, supporting Bluetooth connectivity with tools like Bloopy and facilitating programming for microcontrollers with CircuitPython and MicroPython. Software development. Python aids in software development with tools like Jenkins for automation, GitPython for version control, and Test Project for test automation, making it a versatile choice. DevOps and automation. Python's automation capabilities shine in DevOps with tools like Ansible, PyTest, Requests, Selenium, and Virtualenv, streamlining processes and system management. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python is a powerhouse in AI and ML, with libraries like Keras, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, and PyTorch supporting deep learning, neural networks, and model training. Image processing and graphic design. Python facilitates image processing and graphic design with libraries like OpenCV, Python Image Library, scikit-image, and Pyglit, empowering developers to create visually rich applications. Data science, analytics, and visualization. Python's ecosystem, including Pandas, Seaborn, PySpark, NumPy, Jupyter Notebook, and Matplotlib, is a cornerstone in data science, analytics, and visualization. Scientific and numeric computing. Python aids researchers and scientists with tools like Cython, IPython, and SciPy, simplifying mathematical computations, optimization, and parallel computing. Blockchain and smart contracts. Python's simplicity extends to blockchain development with tools like Brownie, SmartPy, and Web3.py, making it a preferred language for decentralized applications. Web scraping. Python excels in web scraping with libraries like Beautiful Soup, ScrapePy, and Selenium, empowering developers to extract and analyze data from websites efficiently. Education and training. Python's simplicity makes it a preferred language for education. Platforms like edX, Codecademy, and Kaggle offer interactive courses for learners. Game development. Python's simplicity in libraries like Godot Python, RenPy, and Pygame make it an excellent choice for game development, from 2D games to interactive storytelling experiences. Business and enterprise. Python serves diverse business needs, from Celery for handling asynchronous tasks to Dash for building interactive web applications, and PySpark for large-scale data processing. Desktop apps. Python enables the creation of desktop apps with frameworks like Kivy, PyQt, Tkinter, and WXPython, empowering developers to build robust and functional applications. Conclusion. In conclusion, Python's dominance in 2024 is evident across diverse applications and industries. With its adaptability, simplicity, and extensive libraries, Python continues to shape the technological landscape. For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up. Unearth your potential, ignite your passion. Join our vibrant community across LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Until next time, keep innovating.